So now if we scroll down, we can preview what's going on here. But in order to do so, we need to supply a contextual filter. If we click Update Preview right now, we won't see anything because nothing will happen if we don't have a contextual filter. So to test this right, we need the node ID for a couple different reviews. So I'm going to open up content in a separate tab here. And then we have Review of Canned Unicorn Meat. And if we hover over the edit link, in the lower left-hand corner of the screen, you should see a URL and it says node/11/edit. So 11 is the node ID for this. So we'll remember 11. And then I'm going to hover over Review of Useless Box Kit. And the node ID there is 10. So we'll use 10 and 11 for our testing. 10 is our box, 11 is our unicorn. Okay, and I'll go back over to the view and I'll type in 10 for our contextual filter and I'll click Update Preview. And when we did that, if we scroll down, we see the content here is this title, Review of Useless Box Kit. Now, this doesn't look like what we want it to look like, but we're connecting up with the right piece of content. We're connecting up with the review. And if we type in 11 into the contextual filter and click Update Preview, we get Review of Canned Unicorn Meat. So this is looking right.